Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fixed drag and drop stopped working windows. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type SFC /scano. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Second method is type UAC in Windows search bar, click Change User Account Control Settings. Change Options. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click your mouse, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Click Yes to restart system. Fourth method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key current user, click and expand control panel, click and expand desktop. Open drag height, change value data to 25. Open drag width, change value data to 25. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.